Welcome to CARICOMP Insider, where high-tech facial recognition meets real-world intelligence.
A system can look at your face and guess your age within about 1 year, in under a single second. And it does this without ever learning your name, checking a database, or storing your photo. Millions of people are already using this technology, and most of them have no idea it's not actually identifying them. If you work anywhere near digital safety, content moderation, or investigations involving minors, this matters to you right now. The UK's Online Safety Act is pushing facial age estimation onto major platforms, and according to industry surveys, over 70% of parents prefer it over uploading ID documents. That preference is reshaping how age-restricted content gets gated worldwide. Today, we're pulling apart how this technology actually works, where it breaks, and why confusing it with facial recognition could seriously compromise an investigation. So what's actually happening when a camera estimates your age? The system starts with a single image of your face. A deep neural network, basically a layered math engine trained on millions of photographs with known ages, analyzes that image for features linked to aging. Jaw definition, skin texture, the spacing around your eyes. It converts all of that into numbers and compares those numbers against patterns it learned during training. The whole process wraps up in 2 to 3 seconds, and the output is a single estimate. This person appears to be about 26 years old. Now, how accurate is that estimate? According to NIST benchmarking data, the mean absolute error for estimating the age of an 18-year-old is 1.22 years. That sounds impressive, and under clean lab conditions, it is. But those conditions almost never exist in the real world. Once the lighting gets poor, or someone's face is partially covered, sunglasses, a scarf, even a bad camera angle, accuracy falls apart. The article's own analogy nails it. Picture a bouncer at a club making a snap judgment at the door. In good light, with a clear view, that bouncer's pretty reliable. Put them in a dim hallway where the person's wearing a hat and shades, and their confidence crumbles. And accuracy isn't even across populations. Facial aging varies dramatically based on genetics, environment, and lifestyle. That's not a minor footnote. It's the reason NIST advises what they call "know your algorithm," because averaging performance across all demographic groups hides how a specific algorithm performs on a specific population. The overall number a vendor publishes might look great, but it comes from aggregated test conditions. Most buyers never ask how that same algorithm performs on the demographic groups they actually serve. So why do people confuse this with facial recognition? Because both technologies use your face as input, and the word biometric gets slapped on everything. That's a reasonable assumption, but it's wrong in a way that has real consequences. Facial recognition matches your face against a stored database of known identities. Age estimation does something completely different. It never compares you to anyone. It never stores your image for later retrieval. It simply asks one question: does this face appear old enough? And then it forgets you exist. That also means someone could hold up a photo of an older person's face and potentially fool the system. The technology estimates the age of whatever image it sees. It has no way to verify that the image belongs to the person holding the phone. The critical lesson is this. Age estimation answers, is this face likely over 25? It does not answer, is this face John Smith? Treating one answer as if it were the other will collapse under any legal scrutiny. So 3 things to remember. Age estimation uses neural networks to guess how old a face looks, not to identify who that face belongs to. Its accuracy drops sharply outside of clean, well-lit conditions, and it performs unevenly across different populations. And it can never serve as proof of identity, only as a probabilistic age gate. Next time a platform tells you their biometric system confirmed a user's age, ask yourself, did it confirm their age, or did it just look at a face and take a guess? Full breakdowns in the show notes.
Now you know something most people in this industry don't. Use it. And when you're ready to put it to work, caracomp.com. We'll see you tomorrow.